Okay, this is Willy Waver. I'm not sure, I think it's the second part of it. Anyway, it's supposed to be a flow trail. Jeff, that photo's really good. Woo! Hardtails rule. I like it. Oh shit. Oh, thanks. Might do one more trail and then I'll head back. Oh, feel that. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Hey guys, Bike to Bike Park Wales. 2 amazing days, Friday and Saturday. Did about 10 different tracks, I suppose. Well, not different, 10 tracks, 10 runs. A couple of the same ones. So good, awesome. Mostly blues because it's my first time here, but get out here, get your bike, your mountain bike, and make a trip. And the blues are just so flowy and so much fun. Speed, yeah, awesome. Bye.